Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how we can give access to the employee that he or she can see only their created loans in approval process. So here in the master setup branch hierarchy, I have created three branches: Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Haryana. Now if I go to the user management user list, here you can see I have created three employees and I have assigned different branches to everyone. Now let's say I have assigned Madhuri Rajasthan branch. So here I will go to the access control list and I will select Madhuri's access. So here you can see I have given only 9 access to her. So mainly loan approval and allow to view loans in approval process. So this access I have given to her, and in the master setup setting I have added two settings, that is approval loan creation to follow approval process, yes, and branch hierarchy filter, yes. Filter on branch hierarchy, yes. Now, if I go, this is the main super user login, and here you can see if I go to the profile loan approval, here I can see 6 loan in approval process because super user can see every loan. This is the 6 loan in approval process, you can see. But now let's go to the employee login. So I will just sign out from here and let's go to the Madhuri's login. So I will just log in. Here you can see this. This is employee login and I will go to the profile loan approval and I will see the loan status here only two. So you can see only two loans are here because these loans belongs to Rajasthan branch and this is created by Madhuri. So this type we can easily give allow different access to the employees and they can work according to their branches. So thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.